Hi guys, welcome to Suggestions of DC, and this is Manoj. In our previous videos, we discussed about basics of Salesforce. So I hope you guys are somewhat clear about basics of Salesforce. Now, you may have a question how our workspace looks like. That's why we are here. Agenda of this video is to know about what is Playground, what is Developer Edition, and what is the difference between these two. And finally, how to create a playground and developer edition. Let's begin. What is developer edition? Developer edition is the free environment given by Salesforce for practice. For example, if you are a fresher, you may not have an opportunity to work in Salesforce. Or you may be a working professional where your entire CRM functionality is in production org and you would like to test a new release and you would know that affects your current functionality and real data. So that we couldn't do this in production, right? That is the place developer edition comes into play. That means you can learn, test, and do the Salesforce functionalities without affecting your live environment. Is that clear? Next, what is a Trailhead Playground? Trailhead Playground is a Salesforce org to learn Salesforce features without affecting the live org. Wait, both sound similar, right? But there is a small difference. Playground is made specifically for Trailhead to complete hands-on challenges, and it was created with pre-installed packages, option for installing app exchange packages, and option to find your username and reset your password are also available in Playground. If you aren't aware of app exchange, need not worry. We will cover this in our upcoming videos. I hope you got a glimpse about Playground and Developer Edition. Now, we're going to see how to sign up for a new developer edition as well as Playground. To create a new developer edition, developer.salesforce.com/signup is the URL. From there, fill out the sign up form with your basic information. An important note, the username is unique to all Salesforce orgs. That is, the username which you give for user creation in developer edition is unique to Salesforce. You cannot use the same username in production orgs. That's why companies use employees' official mail ID for user creation. We will explain it in detail in the user creation video. After submitting the form, the verification mail will be sent to your email ID with the link to create the password. By using that link, create a strong password. Then the page will be redirected to the developer edition and it is ready to use. This is the home page for developer edition. Our next task is to create a playground, right? Okay, log into your Trailhead. If you are not aware of Trailhead, please refer to our previous video. The link is given in the description. After login, click the profile icon from your Trailhead account. From the drop-down menu, select Hands-on Orgs. Here is the list of orgs which are connected to your Trailhead account, which may be a playground or developer edition. Yes, we can connect developer edition also. The maximum number of playgrounds can be connected is 10. To create a new playground, click the Create Playground button and provide the playground name and submit. It will take a couple of minutes to get ready for use. Next, I will show you how to open this playground to complete hands-on challenges. This is the unit which has hands-on activities to complete. Click on the playground name and select the respective playground where you want to do your exercise. Also, we have an option for creating new playground from here. After selecting the playground, click the launch button and do your hands-ons. I assume now you know how our Salesforce UI looks. In our upcoming videos, we will do all our exercise in this playground. Thank you guys. Subscribe to our channel to see more such videos.